No problem. I'll contact them, and then, let me know if you and those folks in your area need a ride. That's part of the problem with the trucks. They can't get here.
Kevin just said Case and Trey are buried. Maybe Ron, I'll have Ron maybe get the downtown guys. It's chaos over here. Martin and Miller are driving with Sean. Morris is riding with McDermott. So right now it says on the spreadsheet roads are clear, but there was snow there last night.
Okay, the sheriff is trying to get Air One up to look at the routes.
Yeah, depending on where we need to send them, it might be better to just call them and say, hey, we need you at this location.
Okay.
They might need help.
So if you have a need for an ATV, I'll call them.
But everyone's situation is changing as it goes. So if there's anyone that you just are able to grab and bring in, just do it. Hey Jordan, how you doing? You need help getting out? What's your situation? We have one of our pro scouts lives actually out near you, and he has a truck and snowmobile if needed. He can come get you. I'll send Dion's address.
To Ron?
Yeah.
Okay.
Case is getting dug out by his neighbors.
The guy said there's like 5 players walking down by Burt's.
There's apparently 5 players that are walking in the facility from Burt's. Bikes and Fitness.
Hey, Tremaine, did you talk to Tremaine?
No.
How'd you get up here?
I called Motor. He said he was walking out.
Okay,
Right now?
Call Tremaine. And tell him you're up here.
Or I could take you guys to come back.
Ciano's coming to get us. Take care of them.
He is? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You guys good?
Yes.
No worries.
You're gonna take care of Tremaine?
He called me. He's like, I'm not ready yet, so we'll send someone. back to
Okay,
get him.
but he's cool with
He'll
it?
be good, yeah.
Hop in, buddy.
Down Buffalo.
Insane. Never seen anything like it. I got out at like 8, started shoveling.
The Bayou snow apocalypse.
Hey, almost slip and slide. I had fun, me. I was playing around in the snow, me.
Yeah, they came in clutch. City of good neighbors, baby. Dug me out. I had a dustpan throwing it out. 12 inches at a time.
Yeah, I tried to shovel my car yesterday. No point.
A little bit of snow, that's all.
Shoveled our way out. I had a bunch of neighbors help me get out.
Took me a little faster to shovel my truck out. I just kind of put it on 4-wheel high and just kind of drove through everything.
This is fun. Having a freaking blast.
I did get stuck though, quick.
Cold world from Louisiana.
I ain't never experienced this in my life. It's nice though. It's Buffalo.
You should be playing in this, you know? That's what makes Buffalo Buffalo.
Snotty! Woo! City good neighbors, man. They shoveled us out.
Yeah,
Long driveway.
About 300 yards. Yeah. And
Great neighbors.
And I came and picked him up because I'm a good neighbor.
There he is. Can't teach that.
I got my phone.
We had a guy come through, got us out, tried to get Taryn out, couldn't. Truck got stuck. Here we are.
2 hours of shoveling. The neighborhood was awesome though. It was crazy. I ain't never experienced nothing like that. 6 feet of snow, the whole neighborhood come out and start helping each other out. It was pretty dope.
I had some good Bills fans that took care of me, so shout out Bills Mafia.
Shout out to my neighbors. They know who they are. They plowed me out, saved the day for me. So got me here to work. So thank you, neighbors, once again.
Let me tell you something. Rocky IV trading montage makes sense. Walking through that snow was harder than any off-season workout, I'm telling you.
Feel like I'm in Rocky IV.
Golly.
Might as well have to play here. I mean, I'm ready. The snow here, bring them home. Go Bills, baby.
Made it, baby. Got my big baby out there. Got me here right. Got me here safe.
I'm from Florida, you know I ain't used to this. Oh yeah, I love it though. Gotta embrace it.
A lot of shoveling. A little chilly today. Good neighbors, great neighbors actually.
Oh, I just trucked right through, got in the truck and ran. Oh, this is the best. City of good neighbors. About 6 of us got my truck out today.
Do I look happy?
Look really happy.
I'm just kidding.
Football weather?
Yeah, that's exactly what I meant by that. Football weather, whatever.